Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how I get my Instagram feed like this because I do a style that I kind of got from looking at a bunch of other profiles and kind of having like a bulletin board for my photos. So let's jump into Photoshop and I'll teach you guys right now. Alright, so now that we are inside of Photoshop, this is what the post ultimately turned out. This right here is what the post turned out to be. And I have all these images already saved onto my phone so I can upload them onto Instagram. Since it is already on my cellular device, all I have to worry about is getting all the hashtags and getting the comments in and replying to comments and looking at those likes roll in. But before all that fun stuff, we have to get into Photoshop. Photoshop is how I compile all these images over here because of kind of the layout that I wanted to go to. I'll show you guys again, just like earlier, the preview. It's kind of like a bulletin board kind of style with a different blurry, glossy kind of look background in the back of each of the collections. And so I have these separated, five photos separated into 6 boxes because of that one text layer, or that text post. And I've arranged these to kind of look different in every single part of these collections. So none of these collections actually have exactly the same 5 images layout. First group is the original one, where I literally just lay everything out. Then I duplicate that group, hide this one, and I add a text layer. And then I finish this one, I duplicate it, and I merge everything into one base layer where I can easily get these 1080 by 1080 squares, select them, drag and drop the image from the merged layer, and bring that into this Photoshop document that's a 1080 by 1080, and have that merged layer separated into those columns. So we can see here I have every single post starting from the 6th, the 5th, the 4th, the 3rd, and the 2nd and the 1st post. They are all separated, and how I do this is Control-Alt-Save to save it, and I have it wherever I have to save it depending on where it is. So for here I have my photography, IG posts, and it's the rainy city. So I have it in here. I name it what this is. So this is the first one. So we're gonna name it 1, and then you can see I already have it saved. We go to Photoshop and we change it to JPEG, and we have all 6 photos from the collection, all 6 posts from this collection actually, and we just save it and we have it all in there. That's saved onto my NAS, and I can easily just download it onto my phone and post it with my caption, and it's on live on the interweb. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial of the back DIY end side of my photography for my Instagram page at the moment with these kind of like bulletin board style posts. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys learned something. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Alright, bye.